Squeet! Welcome back to another exciting episode of
Squeet. I'm Laureen.
I'm Ron. One of our favorite lunch dates is to go to Olive Garden. Unlimited soup, salad, and breadsticks.
Unfortunately, there's not an Olive Garden within 2 hours of where we live.
So, since we can't go to the Olive Garden today, let's let the Olive Garden come to us.
So in our home, we share in the cooking duties. But when it comes to baking, that tends to be my territory. So we're going to do our breadsticks, Olive Garden breadsticks. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of warm water. We want to make sure it's not too hot so it doesn't kill off the yeast. We're going to put that in our mixing bowl. And to that we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, while it's mixing, I'm going to add 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt. All right, to my mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add about 3 to 3.5 cups of flour. Just slowly add this in there, hoping not to drop too much of it. All right, this has been kneading for about 7 or 8 minutes, so we're ready to take it out. It should be soft, elasticy. We're going to put it in a lightly greased bowl. I always turn it upside down so we get a little bit of that oil on the top. And we're going to cover it and let it sit until it's raised to double.
Okay, time for gnocchi soup. We're going to start by dicing a couple of stalks of celery. We want about 1/2 cup. Next, we're going to peel some carrots. We want about 1 cup of shredded carrots. They're washed, but we're going to go ahead and start by peeling them, get the skin off. Two carrots as oodles. Okay, 1 cup of diced onion, which is going to be looks like about 1/2 of a medium onion. Next, we're going to take some fresh spinach leaves. We're going to chop them. We're going to start by melting 1/2 stick of butter. We're just going to cook this till the onions are translucent. It's only going to take about a minute.
Right, our dough has raised double, so we're going to uncover it and punch it down. Ooh, that's nice soft dough. Ooh, that feels really nice. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put some flour on my board so the breadsticks don't stick. I'm going to kind of press them out a little bit here. Then I'm going to kind of roll them out. All right, now that I kind of have a rectangle going here, I'm going to cut this into 12, hopefully equal pieces. And the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to cut this in half. Then each of those pieces will go in half. Then we go into thirds. These aren't all equal pieces, but we're getting them as close as we can. We're going to go ahead and spray our pan. Then we'll just take each piece and kind of roll it a little bit and put our rolled breadsticks onto the pan. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cover these again, and then we will let them raise. Our breadsticks are now double in size, so we're going to uncover them, and we're going to go ahead and brush them with an egg wash. I'm going to crack an egg, add just a little bit of water, maybe a teaspoon of water, and use my fork and whip it up here. And we're just going to brush the egg wash on. All right, and we're ready to put these in the oven. We're going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes.
So we're going to build a salad. I don't need all of it. I'm doing pre-done salad mix. I have some sliced Roma tomatoes, some red onion. I'm going to go ahead and just break these up a little bit. They did kind of stick together. Olives, pepperoncinis, Olive Garden croutons.
Okay, our breadsticks are out of the oven. They're still hot, so while they're hot, we're going to rub some butter. And then we're going to sprinkle the top with a little bit of garlic salt. All right, our meal is done. Time to eat and enjoy. Very nice. Tastes just like the Olive Garden ones. Try the salad here. This is a great meal. Just as good as if we had gone on our lunch date. Now it's time to eat.